Okay, when I'm making an assignment for my SPED students, I just go to whichever class I want to go to in Big Ideas. I'm going to go to 6th grade. I go to assignments. Well, I don't have any SPED kids in 6th grade, so I'm just going to go to 8th grade instead, just to show a real example. So you can kind of see on here which ones are my SPED students. They have the S next to them. These are my SPED student assignments. So I just go into create an assignment. And then I pick whatever lesson we're doing, so I'll just randomly click one. Oh, I already did this one. Let me pick one where I haven't done yet. 2. There we go. So I go ahead and add an assignment, choose a set of problems, and then, like I said, I go on to the basic part, and I pick the 2 they got from the teacher's manual, and then just 2 more to make 5. And then I click Live Tutor Calculator by teacher. I still give them 3 chances. Then when I choose my students, I just pick my SPED students. So I gave you a list of those. So I would do Leah and James. And then I pick the same time and the same date that I did for the regular assignment. So if I did for the regular kids, I would just leave off Leah and James. So if I was going to do all students, then I would just unselect Leah and James if I was going to be doing a regular assignment. And since I'm doing the SPED assignment, I'm just going to click Leah and James. Then I do whatever date, whatever time their class is. Their class is at 8:49 in the morning. AM. Then I choose the end date, which is just a few days later, whenever, it doesn't matter. Then when I name this, I'm going to name it, this is 2/7. So I'm going to name it 2/7, day 1 or day 2, whatever date it is. And then I put an S beside it. Then I add to queue and I assign it. Pretty simple.